I'm Leslie Ghiz, and I'm a common pleas judge in the General Division currently, and I'm running for re-election this year in November. I am a single mother of 2 teenage boys. I have raised them since they were toddlers. That's something not a lot of people know. Some people know, but not a lot. And I am a huge Cincinnati Reds fan. I am also an avid dog lover. And if I had my druthers, I would have 10 dogs if I could find the room and the money to afford them. Well, I love my job. I have the best job in the entire world. Every day you are doing something one way or the other. You are helping a plaintiff or defendant in a case. You are helping your community. You are helping other judges. It is a truly service job that people don't realize what a service job it is. And that is a gratifying feeling. And when you leave court every day feeling that you've made a difference, that's hard to walk away from. It's absolutely wonderful. I do a lot. In our neighborhood. I do a lot with our city schools where my children go to school. I help with my church food bank, and I have my kids now that they're old enough help me also. I used to tutor, and then when the boys were in the Cincinnati public schools, but when the boys were born, I had to kind of give that up because they took too much of my time. And I'm also a basketball coach. I coach rec basketball, if you can believe that, and a bunch of 13-year-old boys, which is like herding cats, but it is really rewarding, really fun. And I teach at UC Law School once a year in the spring. Well, accomplishing is hard to say because each case is individual, and I think there's a perception that it's really easy. You walk in and you just kind of hands down can change things one way or the other. That is not in practice how it works. But I hope that I am instilling, and particularly in the younger defendants in criminal cases, what it means to be responsible, how you can turn yourself around, how you can go forward and get an education and make a life for yourself that doesn't include doing things that you shouldn't be doing or that are outside of the realms of the law. That's really where I like to emphasize what goes on in my courtroom because that's where you feel you can truly make a difference.